And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a one-line smartphone icon design in Adobe Illustrator. We're going to use the same approach that we've used for the social media icons, and if you have got the smart guides and snap to point only activated, I'll use a black stroke and no fill first. And let me create the basic shapes that we have for the icon. So a rectangle on the outside, a rectangle on the inside, and a circle for the main button. I'll hold Shift and Alt when I drag that circle. The other shapes I've created freeform, select it all and put it to the vertical center. And now we'll find the overlaps, and we can use the circle to create them. So just size it up, holding Shift and Alt, and now let me press Ctrl Y for the outline mode, and you can see I've got the lines overlapped. That's what I want, but maybe the button is a little bit too big, so I size that down and I make the rectangle on the outside smaller. That should be better. So once we've done that, the next step is to create a start and an end position via the pen tool. Start point, I want to have it right there at the top of the circle. And then I don't close the shape to the left, I'll go further down to the second rectangle to connect the two rectangles. Let me deselect that, I'll hold Ctrl and F-click, then I use V for the selection tool and I delete the two rectangles. And now we can look at some details that we might want to improve. For example, the endpoint on the right bottom doesn't look that good. So I use A, the direct selection tool, and put the anchor point on the horizontal line of the smaller rectangle, and then I use the pen tool to add another line to the left. And it looks way better. And it helps in these one-line designs if we create an obvious endpoint. Let me use the scissor tool for that. On the circle, I'll click on the anchor points on the left and the top, and then I press V for the selection tool and delete that. And now I'll use the direct selection to A, hold Shift and I click on the anchor points, and then I drag the circles inwards to create rounded corners. And I do the same for the inside rectangle. So once again, Shift click on the anchor point when you've got the direct selection tool selected. And I make it slightly curved. And this is how you can create such one-line designs, or at least it's one approach to it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.